Hey guys, I'm Rocco. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making the best ever vegan bolognese. You heard me. So one of the dishes I made all the time before going vegan was pasta alla bolognese. My Italian friends are going to think this recipe is a total impasta. But today, I will be staying true to the original recipe, with some vegan modifications, of course. And trust me, vegan or not, you will absolutely love this recipe. So here are the ingredients I'm going to be using. I have 1 stalk of celery, 1 carrot, and 1 onion. These are going to make our sofrito. You can chop these by hand very, very finely, or you can use a food processor. I prefer to chop it by hand because it makes chopping it by hand gives you a lot more control over the size of the pieces, which will make for a much heartier sauce. Extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to be using this package of Gardein plant-based ground beef. I don't know why they call it beef, but I have 2 Beyond sausages here. These are going to bring a lot of flavor to your sauce. We're going to use 1 cup of white wine. I'm going to use the whole bottle because I'm going to want to drink the rest while I'm cooking. 1 bottle of passata. Make sure that the ingredients say just tomatoes or tomatoes and salt. 1/4 cup of tomato paste, salt, black pepper, and a bay leaf. And for the pasta, I'm going to be using penne rigate. Usually for bolognese sauce, you would use an egg fresh pasta. This one doesn't have any egg in it. The reason I chose this pasta is because it's whiter in color than most of the pastas you would find, and it says that it's a bronze die cut, which means that it was prepared in the correct way. And now over to the stove. You're going to need a large saucepan to cook the sauce and a kettle of hot water. Turn your stove onto a high heat. We're going to cover the entire bottom of the pan with extra virgin olive oil. And then we'll toss the sofrito in the pan and fry it for about 3 to 5 minutes until the onions are translucent. Next, we're going to put in our Beyond sausage and break it up with your cooking spoon. Once that's done, we're going to put in our Gardein beef, salt and black pepper, add your white wine. Then we're going to lower the heat to medium and cover it partially for about 15 minutes. We're going to let it simmer until we can no longer smell the alcohol in the wine. Then you can add in your passata and tomato paste, a little bit more salt and black pepper, and the bay leaf. Let the sauce get hot enough to start bubbling, and then you can partially cover it and simmer it at a low heat. The sauce takes 2 to 3 hours to cook. Through the process, you're going to add some of the hot water from the kettle when the sauce starts getting too thick. Hi Maggie, you smell food? Hi. Hey buddy. Okay, so after the 2-hour mark, you no longer need to add any water to the sauce. You want the sauce to reach the consistency of a thick chili. At that point, you can start making the pasta. We're going to bring a large pot of water to a boil. Make sure to generously salt the pasta water. Typically, the package will say 50 grams of pasta per person. I like to use 80 to 100 grams because as a general Italian rule, always cook for twice the amount of people you're trying to feed. Add the pasta in, and we're going to cook it for a minute less than what it says on the package. When your pasta is near al dente, transfer it to another saucepan on a medium heat, adding in some of the sauce and a bit of pasta water. Now our pasta is ready. Plate your pasta, add some sauce on top, and that's it. Buon appetito! Bellissimo. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Hit the like and subscribe button if you want to see more great tasting recipes. And if you have an idea for something I should make, leave a comment below. Ciao!